You know, I got 3 things that have really chapped my hide lately. You know, the first thing is poison ivy. There's poison ivy. I've been cutting all the weeds on my property, getting ready for the summit, and I'm gonna tell you something. I got poison ivy somewhere. There is poison ivy. I think it's actually right there. I trimmed down a lot of those leaves and stuff, and it has poison ivy all over it. So yeah, that kind of chaps my hide. That kind of chaps my hide. Yeah, there's a lot of poison ivy. The second thing is, I mean, hell, look at Diego. He's got it rains. It's been raining literally this whole month. It's frustrating because it won't stop raining. It just rains. That's all it does. It's rain, 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 rain. It won't go away. Diego.
Yes, sir. Good morning. How are you today?
Just fine. The third thing that chaps my mind is I told Diego we're taking the truck without the trailer. Diego, we don't need that right now. No. Shit. Yeah, it sucks. We need to get that air conditioner off. Let me just throw it on the ground. So that's the third thing. So it's just... Holy shit. I'm gonna make Diego drive. Diego, you have to drive. Tenemos, do we have the hitch? The hitch for the mini dumpster?
Yeah.
Is it in the truck? Okay. All right, let's go. Right there. I told him, and sometimes he doesn't understand what I tell him. So that's the third thing. Okay, I'm gonna take these glasses off for a second. It's raining bad, man, and a lot of people, it's cold and it's raining bad, and it's hard to come by. And anytime you have a job, I mean, anytime there's a daily work day, I mean, it's hard to get work, especially when it's raining. And today we got lucky because we have about 4 jobs on the schedule, and one of them canceled already, so it was actually 5 jobs, but one of the jobs canceled, and we're gonna manage to complete the rest of the jobs today. Oh, thank you, Diego. And we stopped at Whataburger. Yeah, those things. Let me tell you about the poison ivy. So I've been cutting a lot of the trees back and a lot of the branches back, you know, trying to get ready for the summit next week. And we've been pushing a lot of the weeds and stuff back, and apparently there's one part of my property that has poison ivy, and I got poison ivy all over me. So I have poison ivy on this side of the arm, and then it's on my wrist, and yeah, it's pretty bad, but it's finally going away. So just to let y'all know, FYI, if you're coming to the summit, ask me where the poison ivy is so I can point it out to you. The second thing is the fact that it's been raining. I mean, it just rains all month, okay? And it's cold. So today it's cold and it's raining, and I'm still wearing shorts, okay? The third thing that really bothered me is the fact that I told Diego, I said, Diego, do not hook up the trailer, the truck to the trailer. And then the first thing he does is hook up the truck to the trailer. So I was like, so it's frustrating. At Whataburger, he's getting us some breakfast, and then we're gonna head out to the first job, and we're gonna pick up a mini dumpster, bring it back to the landfill, empty it out, and then we're gonna go deliver the mini dumpster and do our first job of the day. We actually have 2 more jobs on the schedule, and I'm gonna tell you, they are not fun, but we're gonna get them done. We're gonna get them done. I have a 12-yard dumpster delivery. I'm just waiting for verification for the customer. See, this is one of those things. Before we show up to any property, we always check if the customer is home. I think it's really important that we check if the customer is home. We just don't show up. But one thing that we do have that we set in one of the biggest rules that we have is that we call the customer 30 minutes before we show up. So when we book it with them, we put them on the schedule. If they're at 10 o'clock, we call them at 9:30 before we show. So that's just common sense. Or we don't drive there. I mean, if we don't get no answer, we just don't go. That's one of the biggest deals that we do. So right now, we already called to pick up the mini dumpster. We're gonna drop off the mini dumpster at Mercedes-Benz. So it's a commercial account. We don't have to worry about that. We just drop it off and we can leave. Pick up this mini dumpster, man. Let's do that. picking up the mini dumpster in the pouring rain. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pick up that mini dumpster. Here's the problem. It's at a bad angle. It's pointing straight. He's trying to get the doors closed. So it's pointing straight, and it's gonna be difficult for me to get it at a bad angle. Let me first change out the ball. Oh, there we go. So every mini dumpster and the mini dumpster in the yellow trailer, the 16-foot trailer, they carry different balls, so we have to change them out every time that we get a. We got a bad angle. Any more I back up, it's gonna hit right here. So what we're gonna have to do is push this back and then push it that way. And that's where I come in. I'm gonna try to park the truck just a bit better. We got it. Good job, Diego. Alright guys, we're just delivering this dumpster down here in Fort Worth, Texas. We're finishing up, getting the heck out of here. So that's how you do it. It's raining really bad, and we're gonna go do a job. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it is raining really bad. So here we go. We're gonna get out and see if we can get wet. Jesus, check that out. I'm here with Diego, and it's pouring down rain today. Yeah, but we have, where's the gloves? We'll get them in a minute, and it is pouring down rain. I know a lot of people across the nation do not work in the rain. We don't either, right, Diego? We should be home, right?
Yeah.
But this is a commercial job. They do pay really good, and I said, fuck it, let's make some extra money. So we're out here making some money. Are we gonna complete it? So here's what we're gonna try to do. This is the cool part about it. We're gonna see how much stuff we can put in the back of this F550. I mean, let's load it down, Diego. You know what I mean? Let's get as much as shit as you can. Now, what do you think about all the stuff that's inside that dumpster over there? And we can put it in here. What do you think?
Le pondremos lo que quepa, lo que pueda llevarse.
Ajá.
Ya lo que se queda, se queda. Solamente ten cuidado con las cuestiones, te va a llenar una chingada. Baja.
I don't know what the fuck you just said, but we're gonna start working. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna find out how much trash we can put in the back of the F550. The F550 surprisingly will hold a lot. Now, Diego, let's go over there and let's see what we got. Come on. Okay, he's gonna get his gloves first. So here's the whole idea. We're gonna find out how much stuff we can put in the back of the F550. This might be a whole video by itself, and see how much money we can actually get out of it. So here we go. Here we go. I can tell that it's a lot of trash already. Oh my God, it's a lot of trash. Here we go, guys. Holy shit. Oh my gosh.
Tres camiones.
Holy shit. All right. What the fuck? All we did was bring the F550. All right, guys, we got a plan. Here's the plan. Here's the best way to do it. We get all the these, right? We put them in, then we put the mattresses on top of them. Okay. What do you think? Right, this stuff, like wood and stuff, let's break it down. Okay. Okay? Let's break it down. Let's get rid of all that stuff. God, there's lightning. Let's start working, man. That's right. That is not, I am not editing this video and making that noise for the video. That is actually thunder. Yeah. All right, the only problem is, guys, that we're gonna have is, Diego just made a really good point, is that when we start filling it up, we're gonna overfill it to the top. And the truck is not gonna be able to clear right here. So we're kind of thinking what we can do. All right, guys, so we're gonna start with a quick time lapse for the dryers. That's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna try to fit as much as we can. There's a puddle there that I just stepped on. What a piece of shit.
I don't know what I'm to say, I'll say it anyway. Today is another day to find you shy away. I'll be coming for your love, okay?
Two huge water heaters. They're big and they weigh a lot. And me and Diego are going to try to lift them and put them on. Water heater number 2. Let me show you how we did this. And we put it on the hitch of the truck, and then we're gonna roll it, turn it sideways, and then lift it. That's how we're gonna do that. There we go. Holy shit. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. Well, let's take a preview of it. All right, let me talk about what's in there. There are 3 closet doors. There are 4 stoves, 4 mattresses. That's 2 box springs and 2 mattresses. There's a couch up there. There is 2 headboards up there. And I keep on panning here. There's a chair, pretty secured. There's desk. There's 6 of these. 6 of these right here. 1, 2, and then there's 4 more on the other side. And there's chairs up on top. I mean, there's a shitload everywhere. That's a lot of stuff. All fitting in one trailer truckload. I'm sorry, in one truckload. $300 worth of it. What do you think of that? We only left about $150 worth. We're gonna come back tomorrow and pick up the rest of it. But we did do a number on this job. Holy cow, huh? How you like that, guys? I hope y'all like this video. Anyway, we are completed with this job here in the Fort Worth area. There's Diego working. Comment below if y'all think we didn't do it. So we did it. $400 later. I'm sorry, $300 later. We did pick up the Mini today drop off the Mini for 150 bucks. So we made $450 in one day. Not bad. Slow day. I am gonna cancel the 12-yard dumpster. I'm gonna bring it until tomorrow because it's raining so bad. So I already told the owner, he was cool with it. Not a big deal. And I'll drop off a 12-yarder tomorrow. I'm not gonna do it today. All right, guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Don't forget to subscribe over there to the right side. On the left side, check out my other videos. If I got anything to say, I'll probably just jump in a few minutes to do it. See y'all later, guys.